Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 8i. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. Firstly, open Google Maps, tab button in the right corner and go to Offline Maps. Now select your own map and adjust the area you want to download. Let me zoom a little bit. Now tap Download. Enter your map, turn off Wi-Fi, and now you can navigate in this area offline. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.